Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Just wanted to say we are extremely grateful to have received some reasonable rain today, finally, and also a continued break from the former 100-degree days that we had for several or many weeks straight. Hear the thunder? Anyway, just a bit of confirmation for you so that you can know that what I'm saying is not inaccurate. And once again, we're thankful for the rain. Thank you for everyone who prayed for a reasonable amount of rain. And hopefully that will help our animals to be nourished, to be hydrated, and to be satisfied. And hopefully the same thing will pass along to us, to our energy stream. Hopefully we'll feel the same way. Till next time, thanks for watching. Peace, love, and all that old school stuff.